Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature from Google that allows you to sign in using your fingerprint or face recognition, making your logins quicker and more secure. Let's get started. First, open the app or browser and select the account where you want to enable this feature. After selecting the account, click on Try Another Way. Enter your account password, then tap Next to proceed. Now, look for the option Use Passkey and click on it. This will enable the Passkey feature for your account on your smartphone and email ID. Once activated, simply tap on Done to complete the setup. From now on, you can enjoy the convenience of signing in without typing your password. Whenever you access your email or account, choose Try Another Way and select the Passkey option. You'll then see the fingerprint or face recognition prompt, allowing you to log in securely and effortlessly. Remember, to use this feature, ensure that your device has fingerprint or face recognition capabilities enabled. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.